Hey guys, thanks for tuning in today. Mud Dancer Farms has a little rescue video for you today. 2 rescues in this one. Look at all the snow. People are bound to get stuck. We got a forklift and a bunch of Mennonites. A couple city people that found themselves down, not a snowmobile trail, but not much better. Anyways, enjoy. Oh, it slipped my mind before. The car that we rescued, it was a rental car. It had been there for 7 days. And it has been nothing but complete blizzard here in Ontario and probably the rest of Canada and probably half the states. I'm sure everybody's getting hammered. But anyways, enjoy the rescues. Oh boy. So not exactly how much can be seen right now, but it's been crazy for snow here in Canada, and somebody trapped out there messaging around saying that they can't get out, nobody's coming to get them. So leave it to the rednecks. Taking my truck out. Big tires. Dad's driving. I had a drink earlier, so I can't get out behind the wheel. Stop sign. I don't know if you can see that, but it's literally like halfway over the stop sign. The snowbank.
Well, they're stuck, but I don't know if it's them or not.
This doesn't look like there's been tire tracks down here.
Yeah.
Now this.
Yeah. And then come up to Ravenna, and then head back like you're going towards Collingwood.
Yeah.
That you come across to the 5th and then go north again, and that's where we are. But it's just getting tighter and tighter. And we're gonna go up to this next driveway, and then if that's, I think they're fucking foobarred unless that happens to be them stuck right at the end of that laneway.
Yeah, I'm only 9 minutes away from you.
Yeah, it's impassable for me. I just come to the end, and obviously the people that live on this road are maintaining it, and it just turns into a trail that looks like it's about 3 feet deep and heavy drifts. I'll come back. I can come back tomorrow or the next day and get them, but it'll cost them a lot of money for me to come back with the big truck.
Right.
I don't know. I'm gonna go back to this car that is definitely stuck in the driveway.
Give them a hand.
And see if they give them a hand and see if that's them or not.
That truck coming down the road was a tow truck to get those people. So we found the other trucker that's trying to help these guys after some fucking confusion. The guys decided to send a live pin. You know, you'd think you'd do that in the first place, but we get the live pin and they're nowhere near where they're sending us. So I guess the police told them that nobody can come for them. So the other guy said he was coming back for them. Going down 6th line now to see whatever the hell we're dealing with. So I'm grumpy because I'm getting tired, but the police aren't coming back out because they came out to them once already. They declined because people said they were coming for them, and then they couldn't get to them, and the police weren't going to make the second trip out there apparently.
We've done this twice now, and her batteries are almost dead on her phones, and so yep.
Just next time we go home,
Yep.
that's the GPS thing. It was a road,
Yep.
but it's so blowing out. You can see where it's clear of the bank.
Yeah. Well, like I said to Brad, part of me just wanted to turn around and go home, but I didn't want to get a call in an hour saying you got up here and then got stuck, you couldn't get out or something. So.
When it was to pick them up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They won't even walk out to.
Look at a long walk.
Oh, do they?
Yeah, this is my concession.
Oh, because this road did end. This road ends.
Yeah.
How the did they get in there? Because it's the same thing on the other side.
I don't know how they got there, but they're claiming they're in there, right?
Sounds like they're one concession in, and then they're that way. just like how we were coming in from the other side, we only made it in half a concession.
I don't get it. Ask this guy if this is a mysterious way that they could have possibly get in.
I don't think so. I think it was well packed and they managed to drive on it, and now it's all blowing in. And then we're talking more snow like tomorrow. Like, but I'm not joking. If they want me to come out, I'll bring the canyon out, and the canyon will walk all that.
Oh, I have a hard time believing they got in there. Oh, maybe actually, if you look at. No, don't go too in there.
You can see somebody's been stuck right there.
That means don't drive here. No winter maintenance. Why the f do you drive on this road? Why? Don't listen to your Google Maps. Listen to the signs on the road. They're a little more accurate. So the guy sent us a live location. We get there, no one there. Send another live location. It's back to the other spot. So we're just going home. Obviously, they have no clue where they are. They can't get us an accurate location, and we're just wasting time driving back and forth. I shouldn't have put the camera away. This f***ing forklift and everything just went in. All right. Well, let us have a peek at what we're dealing with. Saw that one happen live.
When you're going 30 with the forklift and you start to hit the ditch, then you're gone.
Oh, the weight just pulls you right in. Looks like you might have found something else in there too. Oh, is that a snowboard? Oh, you guys just snowboard behind it? Yeah, that's awesome. Pardon my French.
Yeah. We'll give it a try with the chain. If the chain don't work, then we'll get the strap out.
All right, Dad. Well, I got the camera, so I'll just record. Why not? Perfect timing. We literally just drove 2.5 hours to save somebody who's stuck in a trail, but can't find them too deep in a snowmobile trail. He did move once he gave him a bump, but it's a lot of weight. Do you want your snowboard out of there before she gets damaged? Hold up. Hold up 1 sec there. Hold up. Before your snowboard gets crushed. There you go. All right, we're hooked up with the strap to the front. Machine seems to want to come out front end, so we're gonna work the way she wants to work. My old girl, look at her go. Ready? Yep. Baby, come on, girl, prove yourself. Get this thing out of there. He is moving forward. I just can't tell if he's coming outward. Oh, bummer. they're moving over because I saw us coming, so they're trying to be nice, and you can see pulls you right in. Nasty. Almost. Oh, you can feel how solid the ground is too, like no sink at all.
Is that solid ground or is that just solid snow?
That's solid snow.
I figured.
Crazy. So we got cavalry. We got some more horsepower. Know what they say? No one parties like the Mennonites. What's it? Party like it's 1917?
Really like it's 1799.
1799. That's how she's done. I love it. That's awesome. Awesome. Incredible, fellas. Yeah. Yeah. And after that, we leave. Crazy Mennonites snowboarding down the road with a bunch of animals. You gotta love it. Forklift and snowboard. Some people would say that's overkill, but Mennonite boys just a full center. Don't even think twice. Oh yeah. You can see the snowboard tracks everywhere. Yeah. Back and forth with the forklift. He says, he's like, oh, we should tie the rope to your truck. You go a little faster than that forklift.
Get the snowmobile, we can take you for a ride.
That's what I said. Like the snowmobile's the way to go. Found Dad on the road, so now it's just a slow ride back to where we were before, and we'll go in with the tractor and hopefully find this guy. See that? That's a crushed soft top. Like, holy crap. We started clearing ours off because we were suspected of something like that. Holy crap!
Styles, and I've spent my life fighting for working people.
Pardon my French, I'm trying not to use bad language. That thing is mangled. Holy!
And make life more affordable. Life in Ontario.
That sucks. Feel bad. Gotta watch his rate tire, make sure it's not sinking. Tight. Tight like a toiger, as the gold member would say.
The crust, right? But if you go all the way forward to his truck and let me in, I'll be out here. How are you boys doing today?
Oh, all right. Been a bit of a drive. But the second time coming up here.
Yeah, we were up here on Thursday night.
The day they're actually trapped at the car.
Yeah, but that's what I said. Holy f***, we're gonna make it any further. You made it as far as you can.
Oh no shit, eh? That's Big Hill.
Oh yeah. non-winter maintained. There's a big Kubota in here.
Oh yeah?
Past him, and he's doing this driveway, I guess. I don't know.
Oh yeah, there is a house right there.
Right?
But the Kubota just drove around him.
He said he's gonna do the driveway first. Like he was using the truck just to push out. Oh really? Right, but
So where are these people? Oh yeah.
Drive out, get out.
Yeah, all right.
what's your YouTube channel?
Mud Dancer Farms.
That's my Dancer Farm. So.
Mud Dancer Farms?
Yep.
Yeah. All right, let's rock and roll. Get the impression those boys are pretty much
Audience and pissing in the wind is basically what he said. I said he goes, I would have been here for hours, and I said eventually maybe when I got to the car, and he said I don't even know that.
Well, you wouldn't have pulled them out.
Wouldn't have been able to pull them out. We'll just got one path to back to them. We'll throw a and a strap on it.
Yeah. Do you think it'll come out easy, eh?
I'm more worried about breaking through the crust than I am anything else.
How deep do you think the crust is once you fall through? How much? Yeah, that's pretty fun to work with. Not getting much of it.
Okay, hold on. Ready to go any further back now. Come on, David, bite. Bite.
Jesus.
Bite. That's as far as we're going.
Yep. Broke the crust.
Broke the crust.
Well, that could have been bad. Ugh. Still got the PTO going. Shut her down.
How's it going?
Oh, all right. Second time making our way out here.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah, we were here the last time you guys were still with the vehicle.
Oh, yeah?
We came out, we got to the end of that road there, but we weren't sure.
Oh, I thought one was even here.
Yeah, I mean, we didn't have a tractor or nothing. We were just in the four-wheel drive truck.
Yeah, same here. Well, the what do you call it? The tow truck's had a foot of snow. It's like a foot of snow is nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Except once you get to the hard pack, and it's not hard enough for a car, right?
Yeah, well,
All right, Brad, I'm going to get over on this side. I'm going to try and open this up because
Yeah.
it's going to be too hard to pull them through that.
all right. Well, just be careful. Just try and avoid where you broke already.
Unless he'd be nice enough just to shove this out of the fucking way.
I have a feeling his only concern is doing his driveway.
Right. I mean, he offered to help, but after he did his thing, so.
Yeah, that we heard. That's what. Priorities first. For numero uno. I get it. I get it.
Of course.
You're not in there as bad as I thought you were going to be, though. I mean, look, you guys have dug it out pretty good, though.
We dug around it, but I mean, look at where the snow was, right?
Oh yeah.
We packed him in there.
Oh yeah.
But at least this guy, when he came here, he blew this snow. So at least you have somewhat of a place to turn around because...
Aki, you're lucky you didn't go any further, getting up and into that hill.
Yeah.
That would have been ugly.
As soon as we saw the sign, we stopped.
Yeah.
But now we just saw there's another sign down there.
Yeah.
But we didn't see that when we were coming from.
Oh, I don't imagine you went in here on purpose. I'm assuming just following the Google map.
Yeah, the GPS. It's actually our first time here. We just looked around, but
Yeah.
the GPS said that we could go on that way.
Yeah, Google seems to like to say these non-winter roads are good. And then you don't know till you're in.
Yeah, yeah.
Figured GPS. It's usually why they end up in the snowmobile trails or the winter roads. GPSs are handy dandy, but I think people are getting less alert of the signage around.
There's a clevis.
Yeah. It's as close as we're getting. All right. Sorry about the camera angle. When you're in the heat of the moment, you're not really thinking about adjusting that
on the other
GoPro.
side to hook your strap.
The same spot on the other side.
All right, could you undo my strap?
Say it again?
Undo my strap.
Yeah.
do a bridle so you got
You want to hook both sides? Okay.
Because what's happening right now, I just get pulling you sideways.
Yeah, we need to get a point where we're pulling from. That's quite the pile they got in front. I hate trying to explain to people that don't wheel how to go. I'm not very good at giving instructions because all I needed to do was course correct a bit. But he had his wheels cranked the wrong way. I pulled the end out, and I knew that was going to be too soft once he was in it, but it was worth a try.
Turn your wheels all the way to the left if you can.
Drivers?
No, yeah, that all the way to the drivers.
Driver, yeah.
Because what'll happen is it'll.
Yeah, it'll get, yeah, gotcha. Turn driver all the way to your left.
Yeah, once he gets back on the straight and narrow, just straighten the wheels out, and it should just be a nice easy pull in theory.
You're making a video right there.
Oh yeah, my dad likes doing these rescues.
Yeah.
They're interesting to get on camera, put them in the hard drive, get some family memories. Sometimes they're good memories, sometimes they're like, why the f did we do this?
Yeah, why did I come out here?
Look at this idiots that got stuck in the snow right there.
Ah, not the dumbest ones I've seen. This wasn't a full-blown snowmobile trail.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
We've got a lot of people that do that.
Yeah.
Just hold up till he's got pressure on it.
Wait 1 sec. Hold on. There you go. Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Just keep, once you're on the road, straight. Is he giving gas with it? Oh, hold up, not until the tractor's going. Every time you spin when you're still, you dig a big hole.
He's going on his own.
I was gonna say, just keep rolling with them.
Don't run over the rope. There you go.
Don't worry, he's not going fast enough to do that.
Oh, beautiful. Yeah, I just don't want to get stuck in the rear axle.
Oh, yeah.
That'd be a real problem.
We're making good progress. We don't want to stop the progress we got going.
No, definitely. He's good now. I don't think he's heavy enough to break through.
No, my biggest concern was because we broke the crust there.
Yeah.
Once you're going through, it's just like ice. Once you fall through, it's like fuck.
Yeah.
But
House.
yeah.
So all the vents
Uh-oh.
are weird. Uh-oh. I think the slack. He went his own way.
Look at that. That's him driving out beside us. 7 days stuck in basically a snowmobile trail. He gotcha. As much as you kept trying to put yourself in the ditch.
He's going too fast.
He didn't understand either, and then the other guy was confused because you were like, turn your wheel to the right, and then the guys I'm walking with is like pointing to his right. I'm like, no. Alright, let's go talk to these guys.